Now children, in passage based question, when passage is given and on the basis of given passage, answer the following questions, right? There are the important features of the given passage are written. But what is first feature? Aldehyde on reduction gives alcohol. Which alcohol? Primary alcohol, right? This is showing catalytic reduction. Okay, and ketones on reduction gives secondary alcohol. R dash, it means different alkyl groups are attached. R different alkyl groups in ketone. In aldehydes and ketones, aldehydes are more reactive than ketones, right? Here two alkyl groups are present due to steric hindrance. Here only one alkyl group is present, less steric hindrance, right? The sodium boron hydride acts as reducing agent. Okay, children. Final product of ketone is secondary alcohol and aldehyde is primary alcohol. First question. Although this question is not related with these equations, but first question which is based on organic chemistry. An inorganic compound which on heating gives organic compound. Different options are given. Which inorganic compound on heating gives organic compound? First is ammonium cyanide, soda lime, right? Soda amide and potassium cyanide. Correct answer is ammonium cyanide. Ammonium. Wohler prepared synthetic organic compound by heating of ammonium cyanide. Okay, children. Ammonium cyanide is NH4 CNO. Ammonium cyanide is NH4CNO. Cn is cyanide. And heating of ammonium cyanide by rearrangement reaction gives urea. And urea is organic compound. Who prepared? Wohler. Right, children? Now, second question. Order of decreasing reactivity of nucleophilic addition reaction is decreasing activity. This part is important. Arrangement of different carbonyl compounds in order of their decreasing reactivity of nucleophilic. Type of reaction is nucleophilic and some type is addition reaction, not nucleophilic substitution. Nucleophilic addition reaction. In methylene, ethylene and propanol too. In which compound more plus effect is present? Which compound shows maximum plus effect? Ketone. Here two alkyl groups are present and alkyl group shows electron donating effect. Right? The structure of this acetone is like this and plus effect is shown by arrow. Head of arrow is directed towards carbon and this carbon of carbonyl group is electron deficient. Right? This group is polar and in this polar group which atom is negatively charged? Oxygen, and which is positively charged? Carbon. But presence of electron donating groups increases electron density of this sequence, carbon, right? It means decreases the rate of nucleophilic addition reaction. And for nucleophile, what is the charge on incoming species? Negative charge, right? Negative species or electron efficient species acts as nucleophile or always attracts towards electron deficient center. But presence of alkyl groups always increases electron density or decreases the rate of nucleophilic addition reaction. So what is the correct order in terms of decreasing reactivity? Methanol is more reactive than ethanol. Ethanol is more reactive than propanol too. In methanol, alkyl group is absent, no plus effect is shown. In ethanol, one alkyl group is present which shows plus effect. In propanol, two alkyl groups are present which shows double inductive effect. Right? So this is the correct order in terms of decreasing reactivity. Now next question. Tertiary butyl alcohol can be obtained by treating with Grignard reagent and Grignard reagent is CH3Mg, right? Followed by hydrolysis. Last step of addition reaction with Grignard reagent is hydrolysis, acidic hydrolysis. Then what is written? Followed by hydrolysis, right? Now children, different options are given. Tertiary butyl alcohol can be obtained by treating with Grignard reagent followed by hydrolysis. First is methanol. Methanol is HCHO. Second is ethanol. Ethanol CS3CHO. Third is propanol 2, which is acetone. And fourth one is propanol. Which carbonyl group or compound will give tertiary butyl alcohol with Grignard reagent followed by hydrolysis? Correct option is acetone. Common name of this compound is acetone and IUPAC name is propanol 2. In propanol 2, 2 alkyl groups are present. In Grignard reagent, 1 alkyl group is present. And carbonyl group is polar group, which shows addition reaction with Grignard reagent after shifting of pi electrons on oxygen. This oxygen becomes negatively charged and carbon positively charged, like this, plus del and O minus del, right? Negative center, positive center. In Grignard reagent, bond cleavage between carbon and this metal, then this becomes negatively charged and this entirety positively charged, right? Then addition of negative part, on which part? Positively charged carbon. This negative part goes to positively charged carbon, right? And positive goes to negative center, which is MgBr. This is the addition product. Unstable product of Grignard reagent with appropriate compound, which is acetone. Second step is hydrolysis, followed by hydrolysis. By hydrolysis of this addition adduct, which is unstable. By hydrolysis of this addition adduct, what is obtained? Tertiary butyl alcohol. This carbon is tertiary. This carbon is attached with 3 carbon atoms. This is tertiary alcohol. Butyl means total 4 carbon atoms are at present. This is tertiary butyl alcohol and IUPAC name is 1, 2, 3. Its IUPAC name is 2-methyl propanol 2. Right? Correct product is this one. In methanol, alkyl group is absent. In ethanol only what is present? In ethanol, alkyl group is present, right? 1 alkyl group, and last one is propanol. In propanol, C2H5 group is present. But for tertiary butyl alcohol, how many alkyl groups are required? 2 alkyl groups are required, right? Correct example.